Leslie here with a haul video from Planner Sister Stickers. I'm so excited that shops have started releasing their Halloween. I love Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays. Actually, it is my favorite holiday. So this kit right here is called Spooky Fun. Isn't that adorable? Here's the double long, extra long full box sticker that you can get. So there's like some flowers and some cobwebs and then a pumpkin and then the girl in like a little witch's costume. And then you have these full boxes here. So you've got a couple of friends. You've got a ghost cake. The living room's all decorated for Halloween. You've got a little outfit here with a jack-o'-lantern. You got some other kind of like Halloween coffee or something. A gift bag and then like a little card that says hey boo. Then you've got like a little tray of food and snacks and cupcakes and then like a doorway that's all decorated up. So I love that. And then here's your functionals and checklist. Here's the full box colors. So there is some like maroon in this kit. That's cool. I like the light black. That's nice. There's like gray, but there's also like a black in there. Love this bottom washi. The like fall foliage looking thing. That's really cute. Here's our headers and half boxes. Look at all this cute deco. So you can see some of these things are from the spread and then like the full boxes. That's so cute. There's like strips of photos. And then here's another double extra long full box. So you have more girls to choose from. And then there's 4 sets of glitter headers. Then you have your littles and then look at these date covers. They're orange plaid. Love. All right, next one is a fall kit. This one is called Fall Days, which, yeah, that totally summarizes this kit. So you've got little pumpkin duo kind of decorative full box stickers. And then you have the full box sheet here, kind of like fall on the porch. And then you've got like a stack of books, a coffee here with like either like some crepes or pancakes. And then you got a crumbled apple and apple cider. You got a jar full of lights over here. She's reading with a little pumpkin next to her. So cute. Love the colors in this kit, like yellow, blue, and then like shades of brown. So here you can see those. And there's gray too. Ooh, look at that bottom washi. That's so fun. I like the sprinkle of glitter. That's cool. Here's the headers and half boxes. Here's the deco sheet. Ooh, love the extra flowers. Love that. All right, here's some 4 sets of glitter headers, and then you've got the girls on the porch reading instead of just the porch with no one, so that's kind of fun. And then the date covers are the pumpkins. Those are fun. And then I have a back to school kit, which I'm excited to unbox this now. So this video won't go up until the next week that I'm actually already back at work, so perfect timing. All right, so you have the girl in front of the chalkboard. I don't know if she's a teacher or a student. It's kind of hard to tell. And then there's a backpack and a stack of books. And then you have a chalkboard with stacks of books. And then there's like some more school supplies. You have a bunch of kiddos here. And then maybe that's a mom. I don't know. Maybe it's a teacher and a kid and it's like an elementary kit. There's pencils on this one. And then there's a apple with an A+ and like some hands holding it. And then here's the functionals and checklists. And then here's your full box checklist. I love that the kit is not just like one kid. Like I love that it's like a group and variety of students. Like I really like that because sometimes it's always like about a little boy or a little girl. And so it's like, okay, well, I don't have a little girl or whatever. So I love the bottom washi, like the streaks of color there. Okay, here's the headers and half boxes. Here's the deco. I love that they have like their little backpack. That's so cute. That's adorable. Maybe she's a teacher. Maybe she's a student. I don't know. So can't tell. So what do you think? Okay, that might be a student. That might be a high school student. This one I'm not sure about though. It could go either way. All right, here's some date covers that matches the bottom washi. And then, okay, I'm excited about this one too because I do tend to associate Cinderella with Halloween and fall because of the pumpkins. Like, I don't know anybody else. So I'm excited about this one. I'm probably going to make some Cinderella inspired clips, so we'll be ready for that. Look, there's already a light pink bow, a wand. Yes, please. But I also associate Cinderella with New Year's because she has till midnight. I don't know. Like that's just me, but it's just kind of something funny. And then it looks like there's a script. It says something, a new pair of shoes can change your life. That's what this says. A new pair of shoes can change your life. That's funny. And then here's the checklist and some functional stickers. Here's your full box. Look at that bottom washi. Okay, this one I might trim the gold off of. I'm not sure. if I'm trying to focus on like the silver gray, I might. All right, here's the headers and half boxes. Here's the deco. Look at those cute horses and Cinderella's dress and crown. What was this kit called? The kit called? Sorry. Make sure Princess at the Ball. Princess at the Ball. I've been saying the kit names because they printed them on there now. All right, and then here's the double full box and then glitter headers. Here's the date covers. It's got pumpkins on it. All right, this next kit, so cute too. This one says, it's called, what does that say? Oh, Yall Fall. So you have the girls on the porch. Okay, this one for some reason printed the Planner Sister stickers across her, so I'm guessing that's a blooper. All right, so then here's a group of friends. Ooh, I love the globe. I just released a globe clip. That's funny. See, right here. I just released this one, so that's pretty funny. All right, and then you have like this little like fall decor item. You have a living room decorated. You've got like maybe an apple pie or pumpkin pie. And then you've got some pumpkins over here. You got a coffee over there with a leaf in it. Adorable, comfy fall clothes. And then you have checklists and functionals. Here's your full box. Love the colors. Ooh, look at that bottom washi. Why does the background remind me of like camo? It's not camo, but it reminds me of camo. Here's the headers and half boxes. And then look at this deco. So cute. So you get more girls to kind of put around, which I like because I do like squad goals and stuff. So I feel like that kind of gives me that vibe. And then, ooh, more girls. See, and I love the variety. She's got a braid, she's got short hair. I love it. And then we got 4 sets of glitter headers. Here's our date covers. It has like fall foliage behind it. All right, this next one is all pink. So I've mentioned before that I tend to do like a pink spread in October. So now I'm having like a couple to choose from because they've released some really cute pink sets. So here's like a pink rose with gray background. Now this one does say like love over here, and then there's like perfume and lipstick. This would be good if you're trying to like do like a birthday or Valentine's Day or anniversary. Like all of those things would be good for this kit, I think. She does look kind of springy with her basket of flowers and her little sun hat. But this kit is called Heart and Love. Heart and Love. I think that's what it says. Yeah, Heart and Love. It's easier to read it on this one. So there's the checklist and then like your functional stickers. Here's the full boxes. Look at that bottom washi. I love a good floral washi. Oh my goodness. So cute. Love that. All right, and then here's your date covers and half boxes. And then look at all this bottom deco. Lots of floral and pink bows. See, the pink bows is what makes me want to use it for October, right? I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look like those bows, but here's the girl, some more different options of the girl. And then there's glitter headers over here. And then here's your date covers with the pink floral and the littles and the half boxes. So there you go. That is my haul from Planner Sister Stickers that they recently sent me. So I'll link their shop down below like I always do. This time I actually said the kit names. I'll try to remember to put the kit names in the description box below. I'll try. But it's Heart and Love, and then it's Yall Fall, and then it's, what's the next one? The next one is called Princess at the Ball. So if you're writing these down, because I will have to go through these again. Princess at the Ball is that one. And then when we get to this one, it's called Back to School. It's just called Back to School, so that one's easy to remember. I'm not sure if I said the name of that kit. So Back to School for that one. And then Fall Days is the one with the pumpkin headers and the girls on the porch. Yeah, that one. That one's called Fall Days. And then the Halloween one that I showed you is called Spooky Fun, in case you guys want to find those on their Etsy shop. So there you go. That is my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what kits you're going to pick up or what you can't wait to see me use in my spreads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!